New tonight, the state Supreme Court now deciding the fate of Wisconsin's elections chief. 12 News political director Matt Smith live in the newsroom. Matt, this stems from the 2020 presidential election.
Deanna, Justice is hearing those arguments today. Megan Wolf, a constant target of Republicans since 2020 and Donald Trump's loss, now at the center of this high-profile case, questioning the power of Republicans in the legislature.
Did you just say that she's being held hostage?
The nomination.
The nomination,
is being held hostage.
Tonight, the fate of Wisconsin's elections chief Megan Wolf in the hands of the state Supreme Court, more than a year after Republicans in the state Senate attempted to fire her.
It's a lack of faith the people of Wisconsin have in Megan Wolf.
Fallout still from the 2020 election. The state's high court Monday hearing arguments surrounding her appointment and whether Republican lawmakers have the power to remove or replace her.
It seems to me this has little to do with what the law actually says and far more to do with who is in these positions.
Wolf's term ended in 2023. Republicans argue the 6-member bipartisan commission, which Wolf oversees, must send the state Senate a nomination for the Senate to approve, a move which has sparked infighting among the 3 Democrats and Republicans on the commission.
Here the question is, can 3 commissioners essentially cut the Senate out entirely forever?
Ann Jacobs, a Democrat and chair of the bipartisan commission, appeared Sunday on Upfront.
Well, obviously the commission's watching the court case very closely. And what will happen with Megan? I don't know. But she has done such good work that I certainly hope that she decides to stay with the commission and the court allows her to do that.
Matt, walk us through what's next in this case and really the future of Megan Wolf.
Yeah, so the court will issue a decision in the coming weeks or even a few months. As for Wolf, just after the election, she didn't fully answer a reporter's question when asked if she was committed to her position for the long haul. In a statement tonight, Wolf says she will honor any decision by the court or the commission.
Political director Matt Smith live in the newsroom. Thank you.